Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our Product Insights series for Usermaven. In today's video, we are diving into product engagement, a crucial metric for SaaS companies aiming to understand and enhance user interaction with their products. Let's start by exploring the product engagement dashboard. Usermaven provides a comprehensive view of user engagement metrics on this page. If you're a new Usermaven user and haven't set up the product engagement page yet, you will be prompted to do so. In this case, from your Web Analytics dashboard, go to Product Insights, select Product Engagement from the drop-down menu, and click on Set Up Inside. For existing users, you'll simply have to go from your Web Analytics dashboard to the Product Engagement dashboard, then click on Create New, select Active Users, and you should land on the very same page. Now let's use Content Studio as an example in this case. Content Studio is one of our partner brands and it is a social media management tool. And let's say we want to track all the active users in this platform. So let's go back and name our insight active users in Content Studio. Next, select the events that define an active user. The events and conditions that you choose will depend on what specific user actions you wish to track. For Content Studio, let's say we consider a user active if they log in or pass the user identify function, and we have custom events for both of these. So let's select the conditions over here. Once you're done, click on Save Insight and you should land on the Product Engagement dashboard. Over here at the very top, you will see three metrics such as the daily active users, the weekly active users, and the monthly active users. These numbers offer a quick snapshot of product usage. For instance, over here you see about 1,378 daily active users. Now this is a 160% increase from yesterday, which helps you track short-term engagement trends. To view and export this data, simply click on View List over here, and you'll get a detailed list of all your daily active users. Then simply click on Export as CSV, and your data will be downloaded. Below these metrics is the user stickiness section, where you can analyze ratios like the daily over monthly active users, daily over weekly active users, and the weekly over monthly active users ratio. For example, a daily over monthly active user ratio of 17.81% suggests that users engage with the product about 5 to 7 days a month, indicating how sticky your product is. Then scroll down to see graphs tracking engagement metrics over time, including daily, weekly, and monthly active users. And then you also have these ratio graphs as well. You can use the drop-down menu at the top right corner of each graph to adjust the time frame for them. For example, over here, let's set it to the last 6 months. And you have your data over here. Usermaven also allows you to switch between user and company level insights, which is especially useful for B2B SaaS companies to understand engagement at both individual and organizational levels. You can also filter insights by various segments by clicking right here and selecting a particular segment. For example, let's select active trial users over here. And you can see that your data has been filtered in accordance to that. You can also manage your insights using the Manage Insights feature right here. Over here, you'll see a list of all your insights created, and you can very easily edit an insight from over here. You can delete an insight, or you can set an insight as default. By leveraging these product engagement insights, you can make data-driven decisions to improve your product, target your marketing efforts more effectively, and drive growth for your SaaS business. And this is all for today on product engagement in Usermaven. In our next video, we'll explore power users to help you get even more from your product analytics dashboard. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.